Hey guys, today we're going to search for affiliate marketing topics and keywords. We're going to also talk about how to just start your own business online. So we're going to do that by searching Udemy.com. I think it's called Udemy or maybe Udemy. Let me know in the comments section below. Anyways, this site has been around for 12 years, so they know what they're doing. They know what people are looking for. They know what's popular. They know what's trending. So we'll be in the category section. That's where you're going to want to go. And they have development, business, finance, IT, office, personal development, you name it. Let's go to health and fitness, and I want to go to health coaching because really this specific video is for a friend who came to me and was like, Idan, I got to get out of my job. I really don't like it, and I want to do something online. So this is for you, buddy. Okay, let's take a look at what you have here. Health coaching certification, vegan nutrition, health and wellness coaching, and this is the section that I want to show you. So when you're at the, again, categories, say it's business, communication, popular topics, you want to go to popular topics. When you're there, when you're on the page, utilize the filter, sort by most popular, highest rated, and newest. You're going to want to utilize the most popular and highest rated. So let's see what the highest rated shows. Okay, so holistic, let me get that out of the way, sorry. And oh, that's, why is that? Okay. Holistic health and wellness coaching certificate course. How to combat cancer, wow. Health and wellness coaching certificate, holistic stress management, health coaching certification, holistic wellness health coach. Very cool. So highest rated, I like to go to the most popular. So let's see, health and nutrition life coach certification, health coaching certification, ketogenic diet. So they have all these courses and all these ideas about what type of site you could start and what type of niche you could get into. You can get into the vegan niche, the ketogenic diet. They have all these things. And under here, these boxes, you can utilize these boxes as well. So they're kind of narrowing down the topic of what people are searching for here. So nutrition, fitness, ketogenic diet. So if you just wanted to search for, in this case, ketogenic, let's do that, and let's search around the page where that's popping up. You can utilize that, but take note that this is another important factor. So the filter, and then this. So look, CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, natural medicine, meal planning. You can start your own site on meal planning. Okay, let's go back here, and I wanted to do this life coach training. We're going to take this topic, life coach training, because I see it at number 1 here. It's number 1, and it's in the keyword of number 2, and it's in one of the boxes, life coach training, and I'm going to verify it in Google Trends. I want to see if it's trending. So let's go to not that, but let's go to here. I'm going to get rid of this, and let's go life coach training. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're going down. So it was popular from 2004 to present, and going downwards, and life coach training. So let me go back here. Health and nutrition. Okay, so life coach training, that term going down, but another term, health and nutrition life coach. See, that's the broad term, life coach, health and nutrition life coach. Health coaching certification is different than life coach. So let me put health look at that. All right, so one is like a broad topic and one is a niche. Life coach training and health coach. Let me now get rid of this one. This is from, again, 2004 to the present in the United States. Health coach is just like trending upwards. You can see the states where it's the most popular. And then related topics, people are looking for, I guess, salary, holism, I don't know what that is, but training, health coach institute, and then related queries around it. All right, so, this is up to you. If you want to start an affiliate site around this, you figure, hey, it's trending, I'm going to jump on the bandwagon and get on this topic right now. Another one that I've already searched, web development, JavaScript. So under popular topics, there's JavaScript. And you can see even here there's the most popular new and beginner favorites. So you can generate ideas from that section. Again, the boxes are here. So within JavaScript, there's other topics like Node.js, React. And we want to search by most popular. And you can see the courses are here. The complete JavaScript course, JavaScript understanding the weird parts. Okay, so going into the verification section, which is Google Trends, I searched for a JavaScript for beginners because that was over here. That was beginner favorites, JavaScript basics for beginners. I saw that and I wanted to check what the trend was. So as you can see, in the past 12 months in the US, there's all of a sudden this this move upwards. And this is interesting to me, this interest by subregion. Out of all the tech states, California, Texas, Florida, and New York, there's all of a sudden this interest in JavaScript. So that's another idea. If you want to jump on a trend, you can utilize Google Trends and throw in the keyword from Udemy. But that's up to you. That's this past 12 months of data. Let's go back and let's see 5 years. It's kind of just mean reverting here, but all of a sudden it's kind of going up. It's passing the 75 line. Past 2004. Okay, look at that. It was way down here when everything was just HTML and CSS, and now it's moving up. Another trick we can do is plug Udemy into a keyword tool like Semrush and see what keywords Udemy is ranking for. All right, so I'm going to press search here in Semrush, and by the way, they're ranking for 14 million keywords. All right, I'm going to scroll down to the top organic keywords, view details, and what I'll do is I'm going to filter by keyword. So that last keyword, JavaScript, I'm going to type that in, I'm going to press enter, and we can just scroll down. Ethical hacking, JavaScript, JavaScript tutorial and projects course, complete JavaScript, so Python and JavaScript projects. So that is like a niche in its own. Python and JavaScript projects. Some of this is related, some of the keywords are related to Udemy. 100 Days of JavaScript, that sounds like a book. Link to... Alright, so now what I want to do is with this term, I want to search for intent. So Semrush has this really cool thing called intent, and what that is they have informational, navigational, commercial, and transactional intent. As you can see, informational, the user wants to find an answer to a specific question. Navigational, the user wants to find a specific page or site. Commercial, the user wants to investigate brands or service. Transactional, the user wants to, let me go back there, the user wants to complete an action conversion. So that's what I want to do. So if we want to start an affiliate site, we want someone to complete a transaction or want to complete an action conversion. So let's apply on transactional, and let's see what types of keywords we could possibly use on our new affiliate site if we wanted to rank for JavaScript. Okay, so it's very hard to rank for this type of keyword, but we're just using it as an example, and I'm just saying that because these guys are high in authority and they're position number 1. Over here to the KD score to show you how difficult it would be to rank for this keyword. The KD score is a percentage in which basically the higher the number, the harder it is to rank. So this is an easier term to rank for. These are easier terms, but if we push this, MDN objects JavaScript, that is a very difficult term. These are very difficult terms. I'm going to press that, and I want to go back to the other term. So now let's filter Udemy.com for health coach. Let's see what they're ranking for. Okay, so this is a very easy keyword to rank for with a KD score of 1. Intuitive health coach. Platinum health coaching has a KD score of 2. So very, let me get that popped up. Very easy, as you can see. And they're in position, Udemy.com is in position 83. So Platinum Health Coaching, Health Coach Espanol, if you wanted to rank for a Spanish version. I'm just going to go down, and if you want to just take a look at all these keywords, a gut health coach. So it gets harder here, so 27 for that. And why I'm calling out Udemy's ranking position for these keywords is that Udemy is a very authoritative website. So if you were to start out a website called, say, let me grab one of the healthcoach.com, and you're going to rank against Udemy, which is ranking for this keyword, it might be very difficult. Okay, these two here, commercial and transactional, these are your money-making intents. So under intents, you want to press these two. They're the ones that are going to drive sales. But don't neglect informational and navigational. Okay, people want to read blogs that are helpful too. So now I'm going to apply commercial and transactional to all of udemy.com. Press apply, and let's just scroll down. The KD score is 0, so these are the easiest keywords. And let's just scroll down to get some ideas of maybe another affiliate site that we want to start. Let's keep scrolling. Car photography pricing, maybe a car photography site, that'd be cool. Chanting class, useless web weebly, that's funny. No, that's not. Womb therapist, brow lamination course, Sydney. Wow, okay, there it is. Fly fishing training with a KD of 6. They are ranking 13th position. Okay, that's a good niche. Fly fishing. Fly fishing. People have hobbies, and people invest in hobbies. So, okay, they are taking out ads for that. But something like this is a great idea. Look at all these videos, that's perfect. So again, we're just using this as an idea generator if you're going to start your own affiliate site.